Yes, hello YouTube family, welcome back to another video on our channel. I think this is the first video in this year, and I wanna first of all thank you all my subscribers that always tune in to my videos, listen to the crap that I'm saying. But I know it's not crap because it might help any other trader that is there trying to start their journey, trying to know and understand this trading thing. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I code this 1:6 risk reward ratio trade, and I'll be showing you my analysis, how I analyze, and how I take my risk management, all that in this one video. So if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, like the video, share to your trader friend so that you can see. And guys, I use smart money concept, so you can comment down in the comments the strategy you personally use, because I know trading has very many strategies that are profitable. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into it. So this was the trade basically, and you see we are trading GBP USD. Yeah, so it's also important to always journal your trades, guys. So I had to journal this trade at time. You see the time there, I'll share on the screen. Yeah, that was the setup, and this is how it has played out. So this is the 5-minute time frame, and for us to see the better picture, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. So you see this was the trade on the 15-minute time frame, and to know how I came to this trade, we have to go to the higher time frame, let's say the 4 hours. So when you go to the 4 hours, you see this is the trade. So first of all, you can see that for the past days we have been in an uptrend on the 4 hours. So if we come here and let me look for the ray. So if I get my path right here and draw, you will see that from here we have been in an uptrend on 4 hours. So we have been making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So why did we decide to then take this step back here? So that's what I'm going to explain to you guys. So when we zoom out, when we zoom in on the chart, we shall see that although we were in an uptrend previously, the entire market on GBP USD has been in a downtrend. So you will see that we have been making lower lows and lower highs. We have been going down, continue going down. So your markets considering the higher time frame, because the higher time frame is always the most powerful, guys. So that was the trend I saw. You know, they said the trend is your friend, so that was the trend. So we had retraced back. So this entire move here going up, I considered that to be like a retracement. So we had a break of structure here. That was our break of structure previously. Yeah, so that being our break of structure, we had the strong high around here. So this had become our strong high. Yeah, so it was our protected high. So in case price moved and broke above it, then we would be considering a change in market structure. So this being our strong high, we then have here this becomes our week low. So this is the trading range that we have. So whatever is happening inside here will be considered internal structure. So with the internal structure here, see we had previously been going up and then moving a retracement. So we had been up, then we jumped into what we call a supply zone. So if you don't get these things that I'm saying, the supply zones and everything, we shared all this information in our free community that we have. Beginner traders explain to everything that they need for free, guys. So if you want to join this, be sure to click the link I've left in the description so that you can join for free, guys. So this being our supply zone, and how do we find the supply? You see, this was the last buy to sell, to break this. Basically, trading is just a simple concept. So when I saw that, I marked that as our supply zone, and I waited for price to come into. So you see, this was the first, on the first move, here, traced back from here. So most traders would have seen this as a tap in this fair value gap. Let me show you. There is a fair value gap here, imbalance, whatever you call it. So we see that was the first tap. So first tap, we see price tapped in and moved down aggressively. This is where the Trump tariffs news came in and we had a gap in the markets. But we personally wait for this to be swept because we had not to this supply. So this would be considered to be liquidity. See, that would be considered to be liquidity. So people who sold here had sold early, and price had to come and take them out and then react. So when I saw this, I waited for the reaction on this supply. So with the reaction on the supply, you see, those of you that know well your candlesticks and candlestick patterns, you know how we call this candle that has formed on the supply zone. This candle, whatever you call it, an inverted hammer, a pin bar, whatever, you see, it gave us the exact pattern that we needed on the supply. So with that, you have to look for an entry time frame, which is always, for me, the 15-minute time frame. So with the 15-minute time frame, I wanted to see what is happening. So when it came to this, I had waited to see a change of character. So if we check well, we see this is a break of structure. We have a break of structure here on the 15-minute. Then if that's a break of structure, then we have a strong low here. So if that's a strong low, you see what happens. So this is a change of character, because now you see that the market had broken structure to the upside, and we would be expecting this to be a protected low, so price to come back and continue going up. It's continuing its bullish intention, but then we see market had to break this low. So on breaking this low, we had this order broke here. So guys, it's always good to look for confirmations when you're taking your trades, mostly if you have a small account, so that you don't borrow that money, guys, because with confirmations you get those tight zero drawdown entries, and in most cases it will help you grow those small accounts. Yeah, so see, after this break of structure, you see we had this candle one, and the reaction on this order block was enough for us to enter after the close. So when we got this reaction down, and with this momentum we had to enter here. Yeah, and after entering there, I had to look for where else could price react from. So no, with this I gave this as my liquidity that I had targeted. That was liquidity. Then we have another demand zone here, so that's why my TP has been on this demand. So you see price has kind of slowed down a bit on this demand, but on the overall picture I have this GBP projected to this level, because if it's accurate and we are reacting from this supply, then the next point that we should be stopping at is this, because we have all this liquidity here. We have all this liquidity here to take. So yeah, that's how I analyze this trade, and caught a few pips from it. Yeah, so depending on your strategy and what you trade, you can comment it down in the comments. Correct me where I was wrong, where you think my analysis was BS. Yeah, so that we can learn from each other every day, guys. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Comment anything that you want me to make a video about forex in the comments, so that in the next videos I can see if I can consider making a video about that. With that, happy trading, guys, and see you.